Okay, so we're inspecting a HVAC system right now. And this is a newer upgraded unit, and according to the data tags, it was installed in 2017 or later. Which means automatically, according to Title 24, energy efficiency, this plenum underneath this furnace should have been sealed up. It was not sealed, number one. Two, this is a new dryer vent duct, which is okay. It's coming from behind there and going outside. But if you look in here, see my flashlight is, they left the old one, the old dryer duct that used to go through the plenum, and they left it and they didn't even cap it off. And it's still outside connected. So if you follow me outside here, there it is. So whenever the HVAC system is running, it's pulling air from outside. This is a major problem for the system. And whoever installed this should have fixed all that. So this is probably not a permanent installation for those two reasons. One, that plenum should have been sealed. Two, anybody with half a brain would have, pulled that out of there and sealed up the exterior wall. So a hack put this in other words. Don't hire this guy, whoever he is. John from the Home Inspection Authority. Give us a call.